Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a humble farmer who owned a remarkable goose. This wasn't just any goose. It laid a golden egg every single day. The farmer couldn't believe his luck. Each morning, he would carefully collect the golden egg and take it to the market, where it sold for a handsome price. With this income, the farmer was able to provide comfortably for his family, ensuring they had enough food, clothing, and other necessities. As time passed, the farmer's needs were met, but his desires grew. He began to dream of a grander life. If one golden egg a day is good, he thought, then having all the golden eggs at once would be even better. I could sell them and become the wealthiest man in the village, maybe even in the entire region. One evening, consumed by his thoughts of wealth, the farmer devised a plan. "I'll cut open the goose and take all the golden eggs at once," he decided. He could barely sleep that night, thinking of the riches that awaited him. The next morning, with a mix of excitement and nervousness, the farmer took a sharp knife and approached the unsuspecting goose. As the sun rose, casting a golden hue over the farm, he killed the goose and hurriedly opened it up, eager to claim his treasure. But to his horror, there were no golden eggs inside, just the ordinary insides of a goose. The magic that had given him a steady fortune was gone forever. The farmer sat down, filled with regret and sorrow. His greed had led him to destroy the very source of his daily prosperity. Now, not only had he lost the potential wealth he dreamed of, but he also lost the steady income he had relied upon. Word of the farmer's folly spread quickly through the village. The other villagers shook their heads in disbelief at his foolishness. They had all benefited in small ways from the farmer's good fortune, and now they saw firsthand the consequences of greed. From that day on, the farmer lived in regret, constantly reminded of the wise old saying he had ignored: "A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush." Moral: greed destroys your resources. Be content with what you have and nurture it wisely, for impatience and greed can lead to ruin.